me dofupa. What is saying? Mate ho ya me danyame ase. Onyame ehira na mesra ma. Na dum emra wo so. Na ye die enware wo anapawe na nwumre. Aha e Adom TV. Na dwumadie we ye Nkuranhyensem. Me amede ho chia me, edi amje so e ni tekotego. Me nko asa na efre me. If your life were to be a house, or if your life were to have been made up by 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, 4. So abrabo eye ahyehyede enan esoro nifa benkum ne efom. How would it look like? Do you know, if your marriage, if your health, if your life were to have been made up of 4 walls, up, left, right, and down, what will each wall depict? For me, my life has 4 walls. And I have decided to build the 4 walls with first me at the top. So the upper wall is me. Nti wabrabo ne da soro no eye wo. De be kura wo e wo soro no eye nioma miensa. De jam nifa benkum ena na e wo fom. Me fama brabo a de obenkum me friend discipline. How do I subject myself to standards? High standards of living. Am I disciplined in my life? Am I responsible? How do I show respect to others? How integrous am I? Benkum wono asumi wa hohyeso. Benkum asumi opepepe yo. Benkum asumi di ne kure. Benkum asumi di obuo mankrofo a me ne on ekoba. So the left wall is built by standards. The right wall is generosity, selfless. Se me to me wansi wa ya ade ma obi anya mfaso. Se me pe ade esafata na mayo na mabusua ene wo man mfaso abamu. Emfa ho ne amenya. Are you generous? Se me ya ade na me hukani ani agye. Se me ya ade na me ma ho aton won. Se me ya ade na me bro no amete so so wo hu me so mfaso. Am I being generous? That is my right wall. Now, the wall beneath is to be resolute. I'm desperate for results. You can't resolute. Me pe. Abrabo, enyomapa. Desperate for results. So these are the 3 walls that carry ni tekotego. Discipline, generosity, and being resolute. Also, bet you wall. The walls you build for your life will determine how far you go in life. And then the person will be saying, what are the walls of marriage? The first wall of marriage is being passionate. Or being passionate. The second wall is being intimate, having a sense of communication. Being there with the person and joining hands to make decisions together. Sa woni ni pakro tie na ukon dono abribiara. Na efe woni ni nyankita hodi a se bi obuo ene nyansan wo mu enya bufuo ene oyawdie. Na ase no eye commitment. Se wasi nkete. Se mewa wawu. These are the 3 walls of marriage. Passion, intimacy, and commitment. For this year, there are wars, sacrifice, and everyone says to me, "Jam." And for echo dance, with the sing kete mi suande. And for sabi, dia ten, funny day man for with the sing kete say me de metua asheda, me de sefata. And I'm learning at this year. And akrakra no se wan kasa wo so won ahwe ehunu se udimu self assessment. abrabo a yɛbue no walls. Life is made up of walls, and you are sitting at the top. The kind of walls you build will make your life stand strong or it will crumble. When it comes to marriage, when it comes to health, ebano apomudnia exercise. So we train to wapum exercise. So we pay and pay the nya didie keke, nya dokoro chi na no keke. So we dey aduane pa, aduane ahodin wo mu, aduane adodie wo mu, vitamins wo mu. Exercise and good eating and rest and sleep. So we pay emre adayi. That will give you a good life. Exercise, balanced diet, and good sleep. But on top of good sleep are good relationships. Papa no papa, or what we call social support systems. These are the walls that build a healthy life. Exercises, balanced diets, rest and sleep, and solid relationships. The first one, me mauni teko, me walls. Musubeti mi ashwa abrabo ma bisa wo be na mi sema ma abrabo because me first wall na wo benkum no discipline. Wa ho me hyehyɛ wall no ba discipline. Generosity. Me na mete ha say walls no eni ahoden a meto fam. So walls ni gina ho ahoden a the walls you react for your life determines how you can go in life. Whether in your family, whether in your relationships, whether in your education, whether when it comes to, let's say, your marriage, the walls you build will determine how far you can go. I have built my life walls. Sometimes things change. You can always change the walls you built. You can always remove one wall and replace them. There are times I replace and bring respect. There are times I bring responsibility. There are times I bring innovation. And there are times I bring being resolute. But whatever it is, build walls for your life. Walls. Walls are important for a great life. Walls are important for a very rewarding life. Every life you see around is made up of walls. And the walls you build will determine how strong your life will be. For some people, they build lives of godliness. For some also build life based on the word of God. And some also build life based on fellowship. Good. But regardless, you should have wisdom. Nyansa. And wisdom is made up of knowledge and understanding. And so when you see who and entiase or the abesu no. So betime asi wala nyansa. Betime asi wala ya dwumaden. Na also asi wala sebe. Se watu wansi wo se wo ye de sefata. There are so many ways you can build your walls. But I have chosen to build my walls based on discipline, generosity, and resolute. I don't know how you want to build your walls. But you can build your walls. From today, I know you have what it takes to build strong walls in life. Build a strong wall. Ma brabo anshishaye enyina fapim papa so. Na yedi ebedwaro. Abusuan ha na meja wo. Me koi na me da Thomas, me camera ase. Me da Frank, me sound. Na ma da MCR for ne floor manager and a lighting for ase. Marco production, mother Sarah, Thomas, Priscilla, Dachi, anywhere back and Pedro. While she may also Nasinya, dear, Unyame, and